Oh, nice and crunchy. Oh, so good. Hello everyone, it's Noise here. Today Marion asked me to cook special recipe to all the mom out there. I know, sometimes hard to make dinner for the kids. They can be fussy. Marion fussy sometimes. When Marion little, she loved the wing. I like to make Asian style one. I'm gonna share my wing recipe with you. And gonna make wedges, wing and wedges. Okay, now let's cooking. I got a chicken wing here. Now I'm gonna use my special sauce. Honey soy garlic. This one has so much flavor. I hope Marion makes the sauce. She thinks my wing is the best. Check the bottle. And open it up. Ooh, flavor straight from Noah and Marion. Just like we make at home. All natural ingredients, pour in a bottle. You never have too much sauce. And mix it all up. You don't believe the smell. Smell good already. Pour the chicken wing in the tray. I like to put foil on the tray. That's why it's less messy. Split it all up. Now we're going to put it in the oven. Now the wedges, I'm gonna show you no special trick. Crispy homemade wedges. Everyone loves wedges. Ask mom, we so smart. You listen to your mom. Mom know best. First I'm gonna cut my potato. Cut in half first. Cut nice wedge shape. About one potato per person. Let you have teenage boy. You might need the whole truck of potato. Now here's the trick. You must cook potatoes twice. If you put straight in the oven now, you don't get the right texture. Listen to noise. Add a little bit of salt in the water. Extra flavor. Put potato in the boiling water. Cook for 10 minutes. We don't want to cook through yet. Make it a little bit soft. Get rid of some of the starch. Take the potato out. Put in a paper towel so it's nice and dry. When potato dry, put in a baking tin, line with baking paper. Potato is still firm. A little bit oil on top. Now extra flavor. Now I have all the tips. Garlic powder give all the flavor. Now secret ingredient. And one more secret ingredient, paprika. Little bit of color. And sprinkle some salt. Now we mix it up. Spread the wedges out. Don't make it too crowded. Now bake in the oven about 1 hour. After 30 minutes, just turn the wedges over. Get even color. Now I'm just checking chicken. They look very good. Just turning over. Oh, look the color. Just give up the sticky sauce and drizzle on the top. This extra step make all the difference. Now put back in the oven till they cook through. Okay, now I got my chicken. Look at the color. A whole family gonna love this. This Marion's favorite when she's a little girl. Now serve it up. Oh, beautiful. Oh, look at the wedges. Homemade wedges. I'm gonna put this out too, that everyone can hold themselves. In Australia, we like to have wedges with the sour cream and sweet chili. Marion's special sweet chili. Aussie classic. Sprinkle a little bit of spring onion. Make it look pretty. Just like Noi. Just look at that. Another winner from Noi. You see this one? Now in cold, you find the sauce out. Don't miss out. Listen to Noi.